So today is the day before Easter, and it is absolutely beautiful outside. You can hear the birds chirping. I thought it would be a good day to take you outside into my garden. I need some flowers for Easter and can't go to the store to buy any because it's right in the middle of the pandemic with the COVID-19 virus. All these birds are beautiful. And I just can't let that get me down right now. I need to liven up and get ready for the little Easter dinner we're gonna have at home tomorrow. So I wanted to show you how to be resourceful in this video and go out in your garden if you need some flowers. You know, if your neighbor has flowers, ask permission to cut some from their bushes. And I'm gonna show you how to create your own vase arrangement from the materials you may already have or in your yard or nearby. Okay, let's get started. So as you walk outside through your garden or through your neighbor's garden, if they give you permission, you can look at things so differently. In this video, you're going to learn how to use different foliages from different bushes and different perennials that you can find in gardens that, you know, have nice long stems and breaks on them. Lavender or other fragrant flowers that just add so much to a bouquet, not only in color but in fragrance. And ground covers, I'll show you how to take ground covers from the ground and how to cut them. And, you know, as you go through the garden, you know, whether you have herbs growing or leaves growing, I'll show you different ways that you can incorporate these into your bouquet. It's a lot of fun learning how to design, and especially when you're just doing a fresh cut bouquet from your garden. There's so much to learn, and I'll show you every step of the way. So this is spearmint that's growing in my garden. It pretty much grows like a weed, but it just smells wonderful. If you take a few sprigs of this and add it to your arrangement, it'll smell well. It's nice and fragrant.